Hi, I'm Ben Endress, president of MTM Trailer Manufacturing. I want to tell you about our new 2021 seamless side round bottom trailer. It is one of the most awesome things to come onto the market. Aesthetically pleasing, no seams in the side. No other company has done this. There's no weld joints to be able for the paint to chip off and for water to get underneath that paint and start to cancer the paint out. As we move to look into the inside of the trailer, you will find that all of our seams run horizontal, so your clean out of your trailer is quite a bit nicer than the old style. The old style had seams running across the tub, and as you can imagine, that starts to hold asphalt, starts to hold dirt, and you don't get good clean out. But here you should get very good clean out. The belly is what takes most all of the wear as the material comes out. This allows us to put a liner, a new 1/8 inch liner in from seam to seam, and 10-15 years down the road you'll be able to reline it and you'll be in real good shape. Also, for the concrete haulers, well, the guys that haul concrete plus haul per ton on rock, you can put a thicker belly, probably a 1/4 inch thick HARDOX in the belly, and you can go up to 3/16 sides, so you're able to haul as much concrete as you want, and you're also able to haul a real nice payload of rock. So that's our new 2021 design we're excited about, and guys are loving them already.